Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I would like to take up various topics on diagnosis, troubleshooting, and repair, and show you examples of how I proceed. I also have videos that explain how some components or assemblies work in the vehicle. I hope you like it and that you can use some of my tips and explanations. Have fun! The driver has extreme problems with his 2015 Ford S-Max. The vehicle is fully equipped with every conceivable extra. Now he sometimes has the problem that the blind spot error message is not available. Ford refers to this as BLIS. He also has other failures in the vehicle from that point on. The customer complaint. Multiple failures of comfort and safety features. The first fault that occurs concerns the blind spot. The BLIS error message in the instrument panel lights up. Other errors include failure of the navigation system, radio, heating, air conditioning, power windows, central locking, trailer hitch, seat adjustment, front panel, lane departure warning system, etc. According to the customer, the error increased during trailer operation. Error memory entries, see pictures. Fault diagnosis. Recording of the MS-CAN bus signal with the oscilloscope. Result: no abnormalities visible. Also, during several test drives, the error could not be understood. For further troubleshooting, the lines of the MS-CAN were examined at various points. Unfortunately, no error could be found. It was different control unit in MS-CAN system hung up to rule out that these controllers could be the cause of the error. Unfortunately, without success. At further investigation shortly before Christmas 2021 under the driver's seat, the plugs had solved and again put together. The error was not more surfaced for half a year. In July 2022, it was like that again. The mistake was back there. It always starts with this display. BLIS fault. Please excuse the bad picture. There are some fault memory entries in the pictures. No CAN communication with front control panel. No CAN communication with front left door control unit, tailgate control unit, invalid data from node. No CAN communication with left and right lane change assistant. No CAN communication with electronic seat adjustment. No CAN communication with display and control unit. Invalid data from CAN communication sync module. No communication with light switch. No CAN communication with central electronics. No CAN communication with airbag control unit. No CAN communication with instrument cluster, CAN communication with engine control unit signal error, and other entries relating to CAN communication. I have recorded the MS-CAN bus signal several times, even while driving, unfortunately without any abnormalities. Since the problem disappeared for a long time after I worked on the wires and plugs under the driver's seat, I looked for the problem in this area. While researching on the internet, I found a similar problem on a Ford F150 pickup with a multifunctional seat. That's why I did the following test. I moved the driver's seat back as far as possible. After pressing the area with my hand, the CAN bus signal was bad. Here you can see where I'm pressing. Let's wait a second. You'll see how the CAN bus signal becomes bad when I press. Sorry it takes some time to focus. You can see the signal going to 0 volts. After loosening the seat cover from the backrest a little bit, I could see the point where the CAN bus cable caused the short to ground. It is a strut in the backrest of the driver's seat. You can barely see it in the picture. This also explains why the fault did not occur for 6 months, as I had also pulled the electrical cables. This probably caused the chafe to move away from the seat frame. The second picture shows the chafe a little larger. After isolating the affected area, the problem never reappeared.